are 8 planets in our solar system. It is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are 4 planets in our solar system called the terrestrial planets, and it is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbital period around the Sun of 87.97 days is the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting it every 224.7 Earth days. It has the longest rotation period of any planet in the solar system, and rotates in the opposite direction to the most other planets. It does not have any natural satellites. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. According to radiometric dating and other sources of evidence, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially in the Sun and the Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, having surface features reminiscent both of the impact craters of the Moon and the valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps of Earth. The last 4 planets in our solar system are called the outer planet, and it is the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a giant planet with a mass 1,000 that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter has been known to astronomers since antiquity. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. After Jupiter, it is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of Earth. But with its largest volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions, which differ from that of the larger gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun. In the solar system, it is the 4th largest planet by diameter, the 3rd most massive, and the densest giant planet. There are 5 types of comets in our solar system, and it is the comets, asteroids, meteoroids, meteor, and meteorites. Comet is an icy, small solar system body that when passing close to the Sun warms and begins to release gases, a process called outgassing. This produces a visible atmosphere or coma and sometimes also a tail. Asteroids are the small rocky objects that orbit the Sun. Although asteroids orbit the Sun like planets, they are much smaller than planets. Meteoroids is small rocky or metallic body in outer space. Meteoroids are significantly smaller than asteroids and range in size from small grain to 1 meter wide objects. Meteor known colloquially as shooting star. Falling star is the visible passageway of glowing meteoroid, micrometeoroid, comet, or asteroid through Earth's atmosphere after being heated incandescence by collisions with air molecules in the upper atmosphere. Meteorites is a solid piece of debris from an object, such as a comet, asteroids, or meteoroid that originate in outer space and survives its passage through the atmosphere to reach the surface of a planet or moon. There are 5 dwarf planets in our solar system, and it is the Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. Ceres is the largest in the asteroid belt and lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, with a diameter of 945 kilometers. Ceres is the largest of the minor planets and the only one planet inside the Neptune's orbit. Pluto is the first Kuiper Belt object to be discovered, and it is the largest known Plutoid. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930 and was originally considered to be the ninth planet from the Sun. Haumea is a dwarf planet located beyond Neptune's orbit. It was discovered in 2004 by the team headed by Mark Brown of Caltech at the Palmyra Observatory in the United States independently in 2005. Makemake is a dwarf planet and perhaps the largest Kuiper Belt object in the classical population, with a diameter approximately two-thirds that of Pluto. Eris is the most massive and second largest dwarf planet in the known solar system. Eris was discovered in January 2005 by a Palmyra Observatory based team led by Mike Brown, and its discovery was verified later that year.